So we standing in line waiting to go to the Seahawks practice training camp. The line wraps around. She thirsty. Waiting before we go to the VMAC. I just showed y'all the line.
Ready.
I love your dress.
Thank you.
It's so cute.
Thank you.
You want a beef jerky? Put it in that bag. Thank you.
Of course.
Or just, come on.
Yeah.
You want some freebies? I can meet you up here.
Gary?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, no, thank you.
Thank you. Made it to the VMAC training camp, Seattle Seahawks facility. We're going to enjoy ourselves.
Oh, get it, Blitz.
What's up, Blitz? How you doing, baby? We in there, Seahawks, baby. Let's do this year.
How the hell am I supposed to be? You're not said yes. So we got time, no, she's a complicated. Yeah. So caught up, but then she told me. Yeah. When I knew they were the best to hold me. Yeah. That's family, she was all about me. Let's go! Yeah. What? Yeah. Make some noise if you're gonna get fired up right now. Let's go!
Surprise for you. This is a Lumen Field special here today at the Virginia Mason Athletic Center. It is the Brazooka. And I think, is Blitz gonna be the one doing this? Oh yeah. This is my favorite kind of Brazooka. Thank you again for being here. Let's do it.
Y'all enjoy yourself?
Yeah. Hi, video team. Here in the Seahawks. I think you got this.
Play some good music. Nice show. It was on point.
Go Hawks. Make it 12. You're the
Shoot it off. Oh, y'all don't got nobody on this side?
Why you put 37 on there? Right here,
37. A bunch of them were signing it. Oh, that was hard. Me and my beautiful queen just leaving the Seahawks training facility, training camp. It was live. Should have been here. You missed a good show. See my son over there, he enjoyed himself. Seahawks symbol in the background.
That's right, that's right.
We got a chance this year. We got a chance.
Got us a ball.
Woohoo!
Signed ball, one of the players. Little man.